How's it going? I'm Ryan. Today I'm going to go over the one trade that I took on NQ. Done early this morning. Took a long when we broke above the pre-market high and the past Friday high. Broke above both of those, retested as well as in the area that I had marked as like a liquidity zone. And it was also like a recent swing high. So a lot of kind of things adding up. We also had EMAs were bullish, everything. So this was just kind of screaming at me to take it, take the risk and see this as a good setup. It worked out. Price is still running, so I definitely, got out perhaps early. But let's take a look at what I saw and what I was doing. So I'll pull up a 15-minute, I guess. Basically, we had Friday's price action right here. Sorry, I zoomed out a little too much. Friday's price action right here. We have highs and lows for Friday, and then we have pre-market low and high here. Price has been climbing up over the after hours of pre-market from Friday, making higher highs, higher lows. We have this swing high here. In the morning, we break out of this zone, these pre-market and previous day highs, and yeah, everything's kind of bullish to this point. So we get a break, we get a retest, we hold on the retest, and that's why I was looking for long and looking for continuation up to this zone. My first trim was right around this level, this little hump thing here, around like 110. And then my next was just below this zone here. So we'll pull up the 5-minute and you can see the actual execution. So what I was watching was the 5-minute. I was waiting for us to break above this on 5-minute. We didn't get it on the first 5-minute candle, although we did get a nice move to the upside. Second candle broke and closed above it. Third candle came down and started to retest, at which point I entered around Friday's high, targeting a 30-point move to the upside. My stop loss was below this candle's wick here, so I had a 30-point stop and I had a 30-point take profit. Now we did get a move to the upside very aggressively, which caused some slippage, but that slippage was beneficial in this example. So I think it slipped about 8 points. I got, instead of $300, I made $387 because it slipped an extra like 8 points from where my limit order was placed. So a little bit bigger win on that initial trim. We took 6 contracts of MNQ, take 5 off on the first take profit and let 1 run. The runner was set just below this level here. I put it at 31. It's kind of arbitrary, really. And I could have let it keep going because it's climbing. I would have been up over 100 points. So, but nonetheless, I will take, what is that, 50, 52? I'll take 52 points any day of the week. My first trim being nearly 40 points. I mean, that's all I need. Looking at $486 in profit across my 2 evaluation accounts. We're just under 2K profit in these in 4 days trading. Not bad. And yeah, looking to get these to PA, and then I'll trade with this one that's sitting at a negative balance about 110, 109. Oops. All right, that's all it is. Just taking a setup, trusting your system, and go. All right, peace.